Given f of x is 2x plus 1 over 3, calculate the value of f of 7. So notice how the x has changed to a 7. So that's exactly what we're going to do with the equation. We're going to change or substitute 7 in where the x's are. So we've got 2 times 7, add 1, and then divide by 3. So 2 times 7 is 14. 14 add 1 is 15. And 15 divided by 3 is 5. Part B, find f of minus 1 equals x. So I'm going to change the f of x in the equation to y, just to make things a bit easier. So now I've got y equals 2x plus 1 divided by 3. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to make x the subject using the balance method. So I'm going to times by 3 first. So that's 3y is equal to 2x plus 1. I'm going to take away the 1. So 3y take away 1 is equal to 2x. And then the final step, because I want x on its own, is to divide by 2. So 3y take away 1 divided by 2. At this point, I'm going to swap the x for my f of minus 1 of x, because I've done the inverse of everything. So my final answer, I'll do it on this side, is 3y minus 1 over 2.